In this video, you are going to learn how using the Roundup you can create the affiliate articles with the products or the tools you are going to mention in your affiliate. But best thing, it is automatically integrated with the Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, Clickbank, and even the AppSumo. So all the tools you are going to mention by the Roundups, your affiliate link will be the applied. So this can create the affiliate articles within just few minutes with the help of AI. And in this video I will give you a detailed demo of the features, and in front of you I will also create an article using the Roundup. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. Right now its lifetime deal is back again on the app, so much starting from the $69. But if you are going to buy within the 7 days, this pricing is locked in this price. After the 7 days, pricing is going to be increased. We have 3 tier plans available. Every tier plan can give you the higher number of the credits per month, which will be the used to generating the articles. You can create up to the 10 roundups, but the unlimited number of the tools or the products you can mention in the roundup products articles here. For example, if you search on the Amazon top 10 products under 1000, it will going to mention the top 10 products with the description, the overview, and your affiliate link. And this will be the generated within just 2 or 3 minutes, that is ready to post on your WordPress site, or even you can host on the Roundups. So let me get started giving you the features demo. So basically the Roundups is automatically going to generate the affiliate articles for you consisting the products or the links you want to cover here. For example, this is the review consisting the best AppSumo deals for your business I have created, and this article is generated within just 1 minute. And look at the review of this draft here. So this is the introduction, this is the topics, and this is the another title is covered, and then all the listings is covered here with the link with the things that is really important and people love to read about and search about on the internet. And in the end I got really good conclusion here. Okay, so this is how this platform looks like, with the images, with the links, with the good layout, introduction, everything is really good in this platform here. And the best part what I like it here, once your article is generated, with a single click you can export on your website, whether it's on the WordPress here. Okay, so you can see here the copy link, or I can even edit it, this one. And right now it in the publish, that's why it is showing the unpublished. When I click here on the unpublished and click back again on the publish, this is going to republished on my WordPress site here. Okay, so let me go to the integrations, and you can see it here. I can just connect with the AppSumo, I can connect with the Envato Market, I can connect with the Amazon Associate, and this is with the WordPress too. So I can just publish my articles on the WordPress itself as soon as it will be the ready to publish. Now let me give you a detailed demo and the dashboard overview how this platform looks like. So once you got your lifetime deal, this is how the dashboard you are going to log in, and simply we have to click here on the create a new one, and after that you can see the featured sources or the import products. Okay, so these are the two ways you are going to add the products here. So I'm going to go with the featured sources. I have selected here the on the Amazon. You can select your country Amazon variant here, so I have selected the amazon.com. I can also select the AppSumo, Envato Market, or the Roundups here. Okay, so describe the target audience, describe the problem, or enter the keyword. So I will simply enter the keyword here, best vacuum cleaners. Okay, so this is the article I want to generate here. Click here on the next, and here's the beautiful thing going to start or the happen. It will start processing. First it is going to give you the targeting categories like best vacuum cleaner for the pet hairs, the hardwood floors. Okay, so you can select any of these ones. So I will simply go with the hardwood floors. Okay, so I will select this one. Then after that I will click here on the SEO data. Okay, so now it will give me the like monthly search results, the competition here. So I will find something like the low competition. So right now on this one the competition is high, so I will go with the something like the carpets here. Okay, and now let me click here on the SEO data, and let's see something we have the good one. So no, don't. So I will select this one for the floors. I will select it, the carpets and the hardwood floors. I have selected that one, and now I will click here on the next here. Okay, now it will ask me the writing style, the conversation tone, the language, all this stuff here. I can also select the call to action button like the shop now, learn now, the pricing, buy now. Now I will go with the buy now. Simply click here on the next, and now it will show you the products here. Okay, so this is the products. It will show you. You can also search the products here. Okay, there is the no way to searching the product. You can, okay, so you have to select only that way. So I'm going to select like I like this one, I like this one, this one, this one, and in the end I like this one. So I have added the 5 vacuum cleaners in my list that I want to cover in my article. So I have selected that one. Now click here on the continue, and now it will start generating the article around it. Okay, so this is the thing, it will ask you what you want to focus or add on your article, like the topics, key, long form, cost benefits, return on the investment, time saving benefits. Okay, so I want to also select the ease of use, situational benefits, and click here on the next, and now it will start generating the headline and article for you. So I think around the 1 or 2 minutes you will select all this stuff, and boom, your article will be done. So now first I have to select a catchy headline. So I think this one looks really good. 5 carpet friendly vacuum cleaners you need this summer. So let's click here on the next. Okay, and now it will start generating. Okay, so after once your process is started, you have to wait a little bit time. Okay, so once it will done, you will also get a notification on your email that your article is ready. So let's wait a few minutes, and here's the draft you can read out. I got the introduction, topics, then this is the how we choose the best vacuum cleaners. Okay, then our listing is got started, what people say, saves you money, great value, how it will helps you in different situations, saves you time, ease of use, features, build to last, why you will love it, and in the end we got the link here. Same goes with the other listings in the below I can see. So I must say this platform looks really good, works really good, and gives you the good clean layout of the article here. Okay, so once your article is ready, I have already integrated with my WordPress site. So what I can do, I can simply publish it with single click here, and I also got this cover here, so I can edit it here. You can see publish on the Roundups, export to the WordPress, or export to the host platform. Okay, so with the single click I can also publish it with the ready to publish article, cover, and the images and the links, everything here. Okay, so this is the power of this